Hello, in this video I will show you how you can add price markups as they are important for your business growth and your profit. So log into your account, go to the Repricing Rules tab. Here you can see a couple of rules. First one will add 20% for all products from category pet supplies and beds. So filtering basically works the same as it works in export profiles. You can filter out products by any attribute you want and create separate rules for different products. For example, for one category, you can add 20%. You can create another rule and add 50% to another category or another manufacturer or, for example, price range, etc. So here you can choose export profile for which you want to add this repricing rule. Special price is meant to be for discounts. So for example, here you add 20%, and if you add here 10%, instead of 20, you basically add 10% discount, because first the price will be this one with 20% and another one 10% lower. Priority is really important if you want to create different repricing rules, especially for price range. So if you add price range for the most expensive products, you need to add the biggest number. So the lower number is here, the bigger priority it is. So here you can find all the information. You can find examples. It's like a documentation here about repricing rules. So feel free to check this out and which mathematical operators is the best for you to use. And if you are ready, you press update. And don't forget to use product price checker to check your prices. Here you select supplier. Here you can check EN SKU. You paste it here, choose export profile, you press search, and you will have information how your repricing rule is applied, what is the starting price, and what will be the calculated price. To check what repricing rules are applied on certain export profile, you can open export profile by pressing edit and go to repricer. Here you can see what is applied.